Topic 5, Lesson 5, Using Rounding to Estimate. Well, so far you know how to use breaking apart and compensation to help you multiply mentally. In this lesson, you're going to learn ways of estimating products when you multiply greater numbers. The standard, we have a couple of them here. We're going to use place value to understanding to round multi-digit whole numbers to any place, as well as multiply a whole number of up to 4 digits by 1 digit whole number and multiply 2 digits to two-digit numbers, and using strategies based on place value. Mathematical practices, well, we're going to make sense of problems and persevere in solving them. We're going to reason abstractly and quantitatively, and we're going to look for and make use of structure, and finally look for and express regularity in repeated reasoning. Our focus is how can you use rounding to estimate when you multiply. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use rounding to estimate when we multiply. So here's our example. Sarah earns $48 a week babysitting. She has saved all her money for the past 6 weeks. Estimate to find about how much money she has saved. And those are the key words there. Estimate to find out about how much money she has saved. So we start with this number, $48 a week, and we also have 6 weeks to go. So here are the rules for rounding, and you can think of it in any way you want. There's 3 different possibilities. You can think of when we're looking at the ones place, or the tens place, or the hundreds place, depending on where we're rounding to. But if whatever we're rounding to, you look to the number to the right, and you can look at it in terms of a hill here. We have a hill, and if the number you're looking to the right is over here, then you're going to go backwards. You're going to round down. You're not going to really go anywhere. If it is 5 or greater, you're going to go to the next number up. Then we have this one. We have rounding whole numbers. If you have this rule, if you have 5 or more, let it soar, or 4 or less, let it rest. And then we have this one down here at the bottom. For 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, we round down. And for 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we round up. All 3 of them are exactly the same concept, and you get the same answers. You can choose which one works best for you. So here's our number. We've got 6 weeks, and we're going to multiply by $48. So because it's $48 each week, and she saved her money for 6 weeks. Now we're going to go ahead and estimate here. We've got 48 would be the one we're going to estimate, and because 48 is between 40 and 50, and it actually falls if we go 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. It's right here. And just looking at the number line, you can see that 48 is closer to 50. But we also can take a look at the rules we just said. And since we are going to round to the tens place, we look to the right, and we can follow the rules we have back here. So since it's an 8, we're going to round up. It's an 8. We're going to round up. It's more than 5. We're going to round up. So all 3 of these actually work. So back to here, we're going to go ahead and it's going to become 6 times 50, which makes it much easier to solve. Because we know what 6 times 5 is. That's 30. And then add the 0, and we get 300. So that is our answer, about $300. We can actually even write that down. Not exact, so it's about, we're estimating. Alright, now try some on your own. Good luck.